Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Dunmore, and today I will show you the most efficient way to use the AizaMD to enhance your clinical encounters. So, a top tip for optimal usage is to always make sure you say the patient's name, age, gender, the nature of the visit, be it initial or follow-up, and the patient's main concern. So, let's dive in. Simply open your AizaMD application, click on the microphone button, and clearly state, for example, met John Doe, a 35-year-old male, for his first consultation regarding high blood pressure. And that's it. Hello, how can I help you today?
I've been experiencing nearly daily headaches, mostly in the mornings. Sometimes blurred vision. I checked my blood pressure with my father's device, and the readings were around 170 over 100, and I did it twice.
Okay. Yeah, those blood pressure readings are concerning. They're high, and they could certainly be the cause of your headaches and blurred vision. This requires immediate medical attention. So aside from those symptoms, are you experiencing anything else, such as nausea or dizziness?
I felt a bit dizzy occasionally, but I just thought it was from being tired. No chest pains or anything severe.
Okay, well, dizziness can also be a symptom of high blood pressure. So given your symptoms and the high ratings, I'm going to recommend that we start you on a medication called lisinopril, 10 milligrams taken orally before bed, and then we can take it from there.
Could my diet or lack of exercise be contributing to this?
Yeah, absolutely. Diet, physical inactivity, excessive alcohol use, or smoking, obesity, they can all lead to high blood pressure. We will address them, but what's most important is you start taking lisinopril right away.
What changes can I make?
You can lower your salt intake, eat more fruits and veg, exercise regularly, limit your alcohol consumption, quit smoking if you do that. All of this can help reduce your blood pressure and also improve your overall health.
Sounds doable. So what's the next step?
So let's start you on lisinopril today, and then I'll rearrange a follow-up meeting for 2 weeks, and we can reassess your blood pressure levels then and take it from there. And in the meantime, please do work on those lifestyle changes.
Thank you, doctor. I really appreciate your advice. I'll start these changes immediately.
Excellent. And remember, managing high blood pressure is a team effort. So if you have any questions before your appointment, don't hesitate to give me a call. And see you in 2 weeks for your follow-up meeting.
Now we can open our EMR in our Google Chrome and access the data we recorded on our phone. We can copy the SOAP notes AizaMD generated and make edits as we see fit. This way, you can easily document the information from your patient without browsing through endless handwritten notes you take and ensure everything is recorded.
With AizaMD, I spend less time typing at my laptop during a consultation and more time engaging with my patient. And I don't have to worry about missing anything because AizaMD has my back. I also don't have to worry about security because AizaMD is HIPAA compliant and HiTrust certified. Nowadays, I honestly can't imagine working without AizaMD.